Bits Markets Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Bits Markets Wallet app isn't just for buying Bitcoin. Most people get this wrong. It's a full-featured platform for storing, trading, and managing cryptocurrencies in Australia. On the pros side, the app supports major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several altcoins. Users can deposit Australian dollars, trade instantly, and withdraw funds with ease. Security is strong, including two-factor authentication and secure storage protocols. The interface is straightforward, providing real-time portfolio tracking and alerts. Bits Markets also allows recurring buys, making it easy to invest consistently over time. On the con side, fees can be higher than some other Australian exchanges, especially for smaller trades. Advanced charting and trading tools are limited on mobile. Customer support may take time to respond during peak periods. In conclusion, Bits Markets Wallet app is ideal for Australian users seeking a secure, easy-to-use platform for crypto management. While mobile trading features and fees may be a downside for professional traders, its local FAD support, security and simplicity make it a strong choice for casual and beginner investors.